Hi everybody, welcome to the basics part 2, hip release. So just take a place on your back if you're not already there, and just take a moment to feel the weight of your body on the floor. You can have your knees bent up, feet flat. You may have done the previous work and be in a nice soft space already. Feel how you're breathing. And when you're ready, just bring the left foot up onto the right knee. And you just gently want to get a hold of the foot, wrapping your hand underneath the left foot and holding on to the outside edge of the foot. Very gently just rocking that shape, the pelvis and the legs, over to the right side. And this already might be quite a big stretch for you in the glutes, so just feel into it, do what you can without creating any strain. And just try it a couple of times, just allowing that whole shape of the legs and pelvis to fold off towards the right side. And just breathe into whatever you've got going there. And then you're going to reach the left hand across the body and out. So you end up in this funny little folded position where your foot is kind of standing on your hand and you're just rolling the torso. And you can play with letting your head go in the same direction as your arm initially, or possibly letting your head go in the opposite direction. Your eyes reach away from the side that you're heading towards. And just see how this feels. Allow yourself to feel your weight sink right into the floor. The forehead softens. The underneath shoulder softens. And then slowly come back to center. And then this time, as you take it up to the side, you're going to just gently stretch that leg out. You want to try and not let the leg roll inwards so that the kneecap's pointing to the floor, but keep the leg ever so slightly externally rotated. And then you're going to use the circling action of the arm out and over and round from the previous exercises, from the breathing and rolling exercises. And just gently holding onto the foot as you allow this hand to draw a big circle, lengthening through the ribs, lengthening through the side waist. If you need to take more time, please do so. Allow the long leg to respond to however tight your hamstrings are. Just breathing. Let yourself settle in the open position where the left hand is out to the side. And then slowly fold that all back into center. And place the foot down. And just have a rearrange in center. See how this feels. How does the pelvis feel now? And when you're ready, bring the left foot up. And place it on the right foot up and place it on the left knee. And just let that whole shape of the pelvis and legs just flow over towards the left-hand side now. And just going gently to and fro. And then when you're over to that side, feed the right hand all the way across so that the whole body's rolling. You're rolling through the ribs, rolling through the shoulder blades. And as the hand feeds across, let the eyes and head roll with you, all the way over. And then slowly bringing it back to center. And maybe on your next time you can try looking the opposite direction. And this allows the head to roll on the floor and shift. And then slowly bring yourself back. And when you've had enough, you can take the leg out to the left and have your right arm just out to the side. And then gently commence the circling action. Let the hand go down past the leg, over and up. And just slowly breathing open this torso whilst holding a stretch through that outside edge of the leg. Maybe the lateral hamstring might be getting a little bit of a stretch. And just quietly repeating this circle, letting the head roll gently. And then slowly bring everything back to center. And reorganize your clothes. And just rest here, allowing the body to soften and center. And just see how the hips feel now.